Hey, wellness enthusiasts! Welcome back to WeSo Health Tips, where we dive into the world of natural remedies, wholesome nutrition, and everything you need to live your best life. Today, we're highlighting a true gem of the tropics, breadfruit. It's not just food, it's a story, a remedy, and a key to sustainability. Let's peel back the layers of this incredible superfood, pun intended. Let's start with its amazing benefits. Breadfruit is not just your average starchy fruit. It's basically a tropical multivitamin. Loaded with fiber, potassium, magnesium, and vitamin C and B, it's a nutritional powerhouse that keeps your body fueled and thriving. Vitamin C is a hero here. It doesn't just boost your immunity, it helps your skin glow and protects against oxidative stress. Its potassium content is perfect for maintaining heart health. Fun fact: potassium doesn't just lower blood pressure, it also helps keep your muscles working like a well-oiled machine. If digestion troubles are your nemesis, breadfruit is your savior. That fiber content keeps everything running smoothly. Now, let's dig into the fascinating history of breadfruit. Did you know it originated in New Guinea, the Maluku Islands, and the Philippines? From there, Austronesian voyagers spread it across Oceania thousands of years ago. These skilled sailors saw the potential in breadfruit, not just as a food source but as a tool for survival. Its trees grow quickly, provide shade, and bear fruit for decades. Fast forward to the late 18th century. Enter Captain William Bligh, the man behind the infamous mutiny on the Bounty. Despite the chaos, Bligh successfully introduced breadfruit to the Caribbean, aiming to feed enslaved populations on plantations. It's bittersweet, but breadfruit found its way into Caribbean cuisine and culture, becoming a beloved staple food. Breadfruit isn't just food, it's an entire ecosystem of possibilities. The tree is drought-resistant, adapts to various soil types, and thrives in tropical climates. A mature tree can produce up to 200 fruits annually. That's enough to feed a small village. And here's the kicker: breadfruit trees actively remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, making them a climate hero. Sustainable, nutritious, and beneficial for the environment? Talk about a triple threat. Now, onto its medicinal side. If you thought breadfruit was only for eating, think again. Its leaves are brewed into tea to help lower blood pressure and manage diabetes. Some cultures even use the tea to ease asthma and other respiratory conditions. The latex from the tree acts like a natural antiseptic for wounds, burns, and even sprains. Meanwhile, the roots and bark are traditional remedies for back pain and liver issues. Isn't it amazing how this single tree is like a natural health kit? It's time to get creative in the kitchen. Breadfruit can be roasted, boiled, fried, baked, or even turned into flour for gluten-free goodies. Have you ever tried breadfruit smoothies? Just blend ripe breadfruit with coconut milk, a bit of cinnamon, and honey. It's a tropical dream in a glass. And let's not forget Jamaica's iconic roasted breadfruit, best served with ackee and saltfish. This fruit is as versatile as it is delicious. And there's more to love. Programs like the Trees That Feed Foundation and the Jungle Project are using breadfruit to fight hunger and support sustainable agriculture in tropical regions. These initiatives are transforming communities, providing jobs, and creating sustainable food sources for those in need. Breadfruit is more than just a fruit, it's a solution to global food security challenges. So, what are you waiting for? Whether you're exploring its health benefits, learning its fascinating history, or getting adventurous in the kitchen, breadfruit is the superfood you've been waiting for. If this video brought a spark of inspiration to your day, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who need some tropical vibes, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health tips. This has been WeSo Health Tips, your wellness, our passion. Until next time, stay vibrant and stay healthy.